Hello and welcome to Excel Highway. In today's video I want to share with you how you can enable macros in Excel VBA based files. Whenever you download someone's file that has VBA inside it, you won't be able to use the file. If you click it, sometimes you get this warning message, protected view. Enable editing is going to be enough because then you see this message, security risk, Microsoft has blocked. Very scary, very scary. What this does not enable macros. So if I click on a macro, I get this message. And what you need to do, it doesn't mean that the file is not okay or whatever. It's just something that Microsoft put in Excel that you know that this file has macros and you should be alarmed. Because you should be a bit alarmed because macros can do stuff that you are not aware of as you don't know what the code does. So what you need to do is, assuming you trust the file, the sender and everything, you got to right click the file, click on properties. Over here on the bottom you click on unblock, click OK. Now open the file again. You're going to get this message, enable content. Now when you click, the macro works. Next time, save it. Next time that you access the file, you won't have to enable the macros anymore. So that's all you have to do. Right click, properties, and that's it. Alright, so again, be wary of macro files, but just as long as you know the sender, like if you got it for me and you bought it for me, it's fine. You can just do that, and that's how you enable everything working. Have a good day.